Are you a woman leader of love? Do you know what that is? Hi, I'm Terry Britt and welcome. A woman leader of love is a woman who lives full out. She's dynamic. She's loving to herself, and that love flows over to everyone else. She opens up to receive God's unlimited love, support, and guidance simply for being who she is. A woman leader of love is wise, she's kind, and she's gentle to herself, and that unconditional love flows to everyone. So, how does that sound to you? Does being a woman leader of love ring true for you? Well, if it does, I've created a wonderful free healing call every single month. All you have to do is sign up. It's called Tapping into the Divine. In this call, we're going to cover healing. We're going to cover meditations. We're going to learn to love and nurture ourselves into miracles and abundance, because this is the single most important thing you will ever do as a woman. I'm going to explain why when you get on the other side, but you have to fill out the form first. And then when you get over there, I'm going to explain to you why energetically this is the most loving thing you can do. So please sign up. Tell your mama, tell your daughters, tell your friends, tell your sisters, tell everyone. It is time for we as women to love ourselves, to stop performing, to stop trying to do it right, and to love ourselves unconditionally so we can be an expression of love for everyone. I'll see you on the other side.